But now on this documentation page, you can see these other models like this Text DaVinci 003. And as you know that we have used this Text DaVinci 003 model inside our application during this course. And for this model, the output structure and the input structure was different as compared to this GPT 3.5 Turbo. So if we want to use this model, then we need to simply copy its name and paste it here inside our application. But apart from that, we also need to make changes here in the body and also while getting the response from the model. And we have covered these things, and if you don't remember it, then you can go back to the course and cover the section where we were using the text completion function of ChatGPT. So there we were using this Text DaVinci 003. So if we want to use it, then we also need to follow its structure for input and output. And one way of looking at the structure is going to the documentation page of API. So there you can see we got this API documentation page, and here you can click on this completion and you will find the input and the output structure. So here you can see it is using this Text DaVinci 003, and here the prompt or the message is passed with the key prompt, and in the output we are getting the choices array where our answer is present with the key text. But if you want to use the GPT 3.5 Turbo, then you can click on this chat, and there you can see now the input and the output structure is different, and we have to follow it for all types of model. Similarly, go back to the documentation page for the model, and there you can see we also got Text DaVinci 002, so you can also use this model. And when you will scroll further down, you will see this GPT-3 section, and there you got some other models here. And there you can see this Text Cure 001. So you can also use this model inside our application, and the input and the output structure is same as Text DaVinci 003. But this model is more faster and its cost is more lower. So you can explore these models on your own and use them inside your React Native applications. And there you can also notice that for each model we got this max token and training data. So here this max token is indicating that what is the maximum response in words this model can return. So this particular model can return 2049 words in response. So this is the maximum limit. And similarly, this training data is actually indicating the data on which this model is trained. So this model was trained on the data which was available till October 29. So it do not have a latest information. Similarly, when you will go to the GPT 3.5, there you can see this GPT 3.5 Turbo is trained till September 2021, and it can generate a maximum response of 4096, which means that it is more powerful and updated. And you can read the same thing for GPT-4. So there you can see it can generate a response of 8192 tokens or words. So this model is a lot more powerful than this GPT 3.5. But for our most of the use cases, this GPT 3.5 Turbo will going to perform very well. And once this GPT-4 is available, we will also include the lectures regarding it inside this course.